We're very excited! Taubike Monaco! We've been waiting forever for this. This is for your shorty shorts, people. Shorty short. So, 28-inch seat. Folding, and it's a 3-inch tire, a 3x20, so very unique. I'm 5'3", flat-footed. You believe that? So how did Taubike achieve that? The battery is in the frame, and most fat tires, your battery's here, so you can't put the seat down very low. So they reworked this, put the battery nice, sleek, clean look in the frame, and now you have a really short seat for people that want to have a short seat. Now, of course, you can raise it if you want. It's folding. It's beautiful. This is the mint color, 48 volt, 15 amp hour, 500 watt motor, all that good stuff. Everything you would expect from Taubike, you've got it here. So brake lights integrated, braking into the front, adjustable suspension, handles go up and down. Oh, just love it. So excited. Quick shift shifters. And how cute is that? Nice low step through. So let's fold it for the first time. We're gonna fold the pedals. You're gonna push this forward. Oh, it's nice and stiff. Ooh. So that's how you do that. Ooh. It's got a stand that it sits on, so you can put your tire facing either way. I never look smooth when I do that. But look how nice it sits on its stand. Man, I like those tires. Those are resilient, high quality tires. Those are gonna last very long. They're super thick. And then getting back to the folding. So now it's folded. That folds so nicely. See how nice that folds down? Perfectly, like absolutely perfect. So if you're wondering how much room does this take? Now I would take the seat off. So if you take the seat off, you're looking, oh, we got to measure it from its highest point. 33 inches, total width, 20 inches, total length, let's say 38. That is nice. That was very nice. This is how you undo it. Clip. You see this little pad they put here? I think that's very thoughtful. It's just a little pad there because that's going to be touching up against. Then I take this, I guess the stem you call it, and I hang on to the rack. Look at the plate on that. Look how substantial that is. Snap. Done. We've got 7-gear Alta Shimano gears. I really like how they put this rubber on here so that when your chain hits, those do chip your frame. There's nothing you can do about it, but Taubike puts that there so it gives you some extra protection. Their rack. You know, when you look at pictures online of bicycles, you don't even realize how nice a nice rack is. So you don't always notice what a nice rack looks like. That is a nice rack. It's very clean. It's very sturdy. It's got high grade metal. The beautiful integrated brake lights. Want to see the brake lights? Beautiful brake lights. Now, if you want to turn on your headlights, you're going to press and hold the plus button. Press and hold that. Now you've got your light. And then if you want to turn that off, you just press and hold the up button and that'll turn your lights off. Alrighty, so they've put the throttle on this side, a very comfortable upgraded thumb throttle right there, and that's very nice. You've got your plus and minus this side, hydraulic disc brakes. Let's get to the battery actually. All right, cameraman, come over here. Let's show our viewers how to take the battery out. We're going to turn that to the left. To unlock it, pops the battery right out. We're going to press this. See, I had to press it to get that in, and there you go. So your charging port is right there. So you're going to plug your charger into, but you can also charge it when it's on the bike. Let's put that back in. Oh, that was beautiful. And that's it. It's locked. If you want to snug it in more, give it a slap. There. If you want to see it a little bit more closed. There. Oh, there we go. See how I did that? I just pushed it in and it snapped right there. Push those in. You push that in and then it folds. All right, I want to take this for a ride. Let's show them how to turn it on. We want to press and hold that button right there for about 3 seconds. See, now it says Taubike. Now I'm going to show you something else. Right now, it's on 0. We want to press the up button so that I'm on level 1. And now I've got throttle. And I've got the seat all the way to the bottom. These tires are going to have a different feel. So one of the concerns with electric bicycles is that they take off pretty quickly. So let's see how this one does it. Yeah. Nice and soft. Now I'm gonna use my throttle up the hill. I really like it. I really like it. It's really soft when you pedal. A lot of e-bikes like throw you, lurch you forward. This doesn't. I'm gonna bring one of these home. I need one. The tires definitely have a different feel to them because they are quite thick, but they're not, they're a little flatter. You see how they have like a ridge on them? Like even that ridge, you've got some curve so that your cornering's nice and smooth, but it's got a nice ridge. These are high-end, really high-grade tires. I wonder how much those cost. We'll find out. Nice shifting of the gears. Oh, this bike's beautiful. This bike is so beautiful. Oh, I love it. It's so smooth. So lots of adjustments here. So if I want my handlebars to be a little bit of a different angle, we pull that forward. And then I feel like I'd like these to be about here. So I just put that back. Bring my speedo forward, and then you can also unlock and you can lift these right up, but I like it lower. Actually, I'm going to raise the handlebars and I'm going to raise the seat because my legs aren't extended. That seems really high, doesn't it? Well, I'm going to try it. See, but it's not that high because I like to extend my legs. See how my legs are extended? Yeah, that's how I like to pedal, kind of with my toes, but I can ride this low or high. Good seat too, really good seat. People love this seat. People buy this seat for bikes that don't come with these seats. Absolutely awesome. Comes in great colors. Robin's egg blue, dark blue, black, taupe, I think, and this mint. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Bye.